Hello everyone, welcome to part 12 of our Learning Google Sheet series. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to write a formula in the formula bar as well as the math operators. And so what we have here is we have a bunch of numbers here, 1 through 10, and then I've created a heading for add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And I'd like to kind of show exactly how you can do some math operators first. And so in B2 here, what I'd like to do is type in a formula or an equation, and to do this what you always have to remember to do is hit the equals button first, and that way it kind of tells Sheets that it needs to do a math operation. And so I'm going to hit equals, and then I'm going to give it the cells that I would like to add. So I'm going to put A2 plus A, we'll say 8, and then if we hit enter, you can kind of see it's also suggesting autofill. We're not going to do that right now. But for this particular cell, it's saying, okay, we have A2, which is 1, and then A8, which is 7. Add those together and you get 8. And so you see that with just the plus operator, it was able to do the addition just fine. And so let's try the subtraction here. So I'm going to say equals A11 minus A4, we'll say. Hit enter. I'm not going to do the autofill. And A11 minus A4, which is 10 minus 3, which equals 7. So subtract works just fine. Multiply kind of works the same way. We're going to hit equals. We'll do A2. And the multiplication operator is the star, which is the shift 8 if you look at your keyboard. It is the star. You just kind of use that to multiply. And then we're going to say, okay, A5. Enter, not autofill. And so we did 1 times 4, which is 4. If we wanted to go in there just to kind of see if this is really working, let's make this A10 times A5. Hit enter, now it's 36. So that did a little bit better. So it's 9 times 4, which is 36. So let's do one more. Let's do divide. And so if we say equals, let's do A11 divided by A6. And that should give us 2 because we did 10 divided by 5. Now the division is the / there, which is kind of the key that's kind of where the question mark key. You don't have to hit shift or anything, but that is your divide operator. So those are just the basic math operators. It's always important to remember to make sure you hit the equals key when you're doing this. Otherwise, you're just going to put in the text of the cells rather than doing the operation. Now, I'm going to do one more quick formula. I'd like to add up all of these numbers. And so to do this, I'm going to do this in A13. So I'm going to select that, hit equals. And this is the first function we've done in this series, but I'm just going to type sum. And I'm going to do a shift 9, which is open parenthesis. And then I'm going to select A2 through A11. And then close the parenthesis and hit enter, and it will add up all the numbers in that range. And so that's just kind of a quick taste on formulas. We just did the sum of A2 through A11, so it added up all these numbers. We'll touch on this again in a future in a future tutorial, but I just kind of wanted to get that quickly done just to kind of show you the operators and formulas and exactly how to do them in Google Sheets. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.